What's the meaning of consummately? Consummately. Consummately.
Consummately. Consummately. The word consummately means to perform something with the highest degree of skill and thoroughness, to the point of achieving perfection. It refers to the ability to carry out a task or activity with great finesse, efficiency, and accuracy, leaving no room for error or imperfection. When someone does something consummately, they produce an outcome that is flawless and impeccable. This kind of accomplishment can be achieved through a combination of talent, dedication, practice, and attention to detail, which allows for the highest quality results to be achieved.